Boys, girls, look at this unit pulling up on it. Let me get next to it. Oh, not even seeing where I'm going. Look at that. Oh. Woo! Look at that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Look at the fresh grease. Look at that fresh grease sitting there. We gotta get the takeoff. Gotta get the takeoff. I bet she'll shoot a little bit of smoke. Lights up the side. Oh, real well. Those fenders. Clean, boy. Look at that. This is the that must be some kind of flex. Oh, what is that? Some kind of chrome reservoir? I don't know what that is. Maybe those are his connections, like his trailer connections. If so, that's... Look at that thing. Woo! Woo! Yeah, buddy. That's beautiful. Boys, that's a truck. That's a truck, brother. That made my day.